turkey leftover pot pie. Dice up your celery, your turkey, and any other veggies you're using, or go ahead and grab your mixed vegetables, whatever it is you want to throw in. 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt, and then go ahead and start with your harder veggies, your celery, your carrots. Let those saute to soften some. Go ahead and throw in your corn, green beans, peas, mixed vegetables, onions, whatever other vegetables you're throwing in, and get those sauteed for a few minutes to soften. Add 1 tablespoon of flour and get that mixed through to create your roux. Add a half cup of chicken broth, water, whatever you like. Add your cubed turkey and whatever spices you're using. Here I'm using basil, oregano, Italian seasoning, and some garlic powder. And then stir till everything is all nice and thick. You should have 1.5 to 2 cups total to fill your ramekin or whatever dish it is you chose to use. Get your pie dough rolled out, or grab the pie dough or puff pastry that you bought from the store. Get your top on your pie, edges sealed, and then cut off your extra, whether you're using a full top or a lattice. If you're using a full top, don't forget to add your slits so that the pie can breathe. Brush your pie top with milk in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. And there we have it. Whether you go solid or lattice. Gorgeous pot pie. Turkey was used up, the carrots, the green beans, the corn, and the onion. Remember, cook for one, waste none, be savvy, and enjoy your Thanksgiving.